Hi everyone, so my name is Daniela Heverola and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to tackle about my first HTML web page. And I am taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Assumption College of Davao. And today I will be presenting the HTML web page I created for my activity and get it on. So as you can see, we have here doc type HTML. This part right here, this is the default in HTML, and this doc type HTML tells that the document is HTML, and this one HTML lang and this one is says that the page is in English language, and this meta corset viewport content with device and etc. is like this ensures that the characters is displayed correctly, and uh, characters in this meta name viewport contains emojis and characters, special characters, and etc. So this means that this viewport, like this one, is like it is a visible viewport to not just in the desktop but also in mobile phones. And as you can see, there's a title tag here, and the title tag is about Daniela Heverola. Users will know that this website is about Daniela Heverola. So it will appear on the browser tab at the top of this one, the Google. And if I remove this title tag, it won't be display the title of the browser. So we move on here in the head. So the head tag is all the information here inside is uh, displayed in here, and yeah, all the information here will display later on. So we continue to the body, and the body is contains everything what the users actually see on the page. And this one we put here H1. This one is the heading part. This one is a big heading and bold in text, like uh, large. This will display large text with bold uh, text. So this one, if this one doesn't have or remove, it won't have a heading, or it won't uh, let the user know that it what the page is all about. So we have here the paragraph. This one, hello, my name is Nenebra Chu Chu Chu. This one is display text with so that the text will be readable at the end of our page, and it displays automatic spacing, and uh, this is after the heading. This is the second part where we put our information. And if this paragraph tag doesn't have on our web page, it won't be uh, have a introduction, and also the user will feel confused about website is all about, and how it the page will start, and so on. So we have here a HR slash tag. This one is for horizontal line. So this one will separate the content from here, and then it will have a second content below on the horizontal uh, under the horizontal line. So we put also here the paragraph to put our uh, text here, all the information, and then unordered list is the next one, and the list will this one is to display bulleted form for my facts about myself. And this one, if this one doesn't have, it doesn't have an order of the three things that I like, or I my facts about myself. And we put also another horizontal line here, tag, and also a paragraph. And I put also H2 heading. This one is the second part, a second one for the head, like second heading na medyo ano lang siya, hindi siya gaano kalaki, unlike sa H1 na heading for my favorite website. So we put also paragraph here to display all the links, and we put also list form, bulleted form also. So this one list those. Okay, this one will put like the bulleted, and then RHRF, which means for this one for the link, for the link will be clickable, and we put here target blank. So when we click the like Spotify, it will put on another tab. Like when we search, when we click something link, and then uh, uh, it will go to you to another new tab. And this one is the name of the link. Then display the link, it will display the word, the the text. So because mahirap man masyado na i-display natin yung buong link, so i-display lang natin yung word mismo, or the name specifically of the link. So we we break also, we put also the horizontal line. And another one is for my favorite picture, we put also H2 here. So H2 kasi para ma-emphasize talaga yung what this content is all about. Like parang mayroon siyang title for the next content. And we put image source, niche, and width and height. So this one, this tag here is for image. And if we we have to remember that when putting or the link of the image source, we need to remember that the picture you need to put is the same folder, like para madali lang siya. And this one, I have folder HTML activities, and I put Michi image here, same folder, so it easy for the code na ma-recognize nito. And width 300 and height 300 para equal lang ang image. So this is uh, so I put also H3 heading para hindi siya masyadong malaki. And this one is my description about my picture. So, and it will end with the body and HTML para ma-complete natin ang ating webpage. Now let's switch to the finished product. So we need to run this one in a live server. So let's go view live server. Here. So this is my actual website about me. And this one is the H1 heading, this one about me, Daniela Verola. And also this one is the paragraph tag, and this horizontal line here is the HR slash, and this one also the paragraph in the paragraph tag. And this one is the bulleted list form and ordered list form, or ordered list, this one. And also with another horizontal line, and the favorite website, this one, H2 heading, this one is H2 heading. So mas maliit siya compared sa about me na H1. So this one, my links, and when we click as you can see that it doesn't show the links itself, it only show the names of the links, like links lang talaga siya. And then when we click the Spotify, it will directly go to the link itself. And another one, it will go to the new page, like that. And Instagram, and Threads, and YouTube. So this one is clickable links that we made. So this one is the favorite picture, and this one is our image source that we made, and this one is the H3 heading, and this one is the paragraph for description. So yeah, I organize my web page like this because as a beginner, it's really hard for me to understand or to like jump into like a complicated website design. So I'm as a beginner, I'm just design this. I organize this website as like a top, bottom, like ano lang talaga siya, na andito lang talaga siya sa gilid. Like wala pa siyang mga divisions or anything like that. And because when we create the first web page, you don't need to really uh, like make it more complicated, and you need to understand how the tags works and how the arrangement works, and that's it. I use some simple tags like ano siya kadang ano common tags like paragraph, headings, list, and etc. Because this is as a beginner, I'm just trying to work on how HTML works with these tags because I haven't experienced like this when I was at high school or before, and I need to start on a tags with a simple one only, and not. But later on, I have to experiment the styles and etc. So if I were given in more time, and this one will improve by having a colors, navigations, and contacts, um, like a styling like CSS, and but right now it's just a white background and a simple text. So I can personalize it with in CSS and make if I were to improve this, I will be make it responsive in mobile devices that it is designed to mobile devices, and it won't like it will fit in mobile devices. Okay, so add more media, so it will have a interactive website and the user will really read what the website is all about because of the images like that, and navigation, uh, contacts also, and that one. So I learned that creating a website, and even if simple lang talaga siya, we can really see all the codes here, like uh, it is a long code, and also like you need to consider also the closing tags because if doesn't have closing tags in each tags, it will not work properly. So we need to we need to remember that, and I am satisfied with as a as my first website. I am satisfied because I make like this first time, and with the help of tools like AIs and Google, it really helped me to understand how HTML works, and this is the structure blueprint of the website, and it really, and when creating a web page, we need to also consider the like yung mga headings. We need to remember that creating a website is like hindi lang talaga siya like same font, same headings, like same sizes sa mga text. You need to have a hierarchy content. So it is kanang ano siya, appealing siya for everyone. The most essential part of this web page of this HTML is like this one. Because if wala nito, because it provides the foundation of the web page. And when I go through this activity, this page, is I encounter difficulties like ano, like sa mga closing tag, like, and also sa mga ano niya attributes, like what are the what are the this one, specifically this one, how to add links, and if you don't know the tags, specifically this one, A is for links, and if you don't know what A tag is, it will not show link, it will not automatically created a link for um, that one. You need to research also what are the link a tag for the links for the image, what are the like that, and also need to uh, balance also the headings, because if if lahat na lang each one ang heading, parang pangit na siya tignan, like that. So minimal minimal lang man yung mga problems na na-encounter ko in creating this, because this one is very basic, and I think when you don't know how what tag is specifically for this listed bullet forms, you need also to research, so like that. So that one, and you need also to appreciate those web developer, like for me talaga is napaka nice talaga ng mga website na grabe yung interactivity, and parang ito pa lang talaga is need to consider the spacing, the alignment, and how much more pa sa yung mga ano na, yung mga deployed website na. And I'm really thankful na naka-create ako ng ganitong website. And thank you guys for listening through my first website, and I see you all next time. Bye!